FUBO stock analysis and FUBO stock prediction in this brief and short 1-minute video. What I'll be doing is showing you my exact play and all that good jazz. So overviewing Fubotv sitting at 362, I'm looking to just take it further up. You know what I mean? Like, it's not that I'm just randomly gonna buy, but it's that higher time frame swing is in this long opportunity, which is still pending, right? So close to the break even, but we're yet to have the break even happen. So how this look like is, I want to see a confirmation, then I'm willing to take it further up. If that's not the case, bro, then why the heck would I force trades? Like, I've seen time and time again that if I stick to my process and formula, I'll be rewarded. And this, I've done this for over 5 years and documented everything, right? Refined this process and all that good jazz. But if you don't want to wait that much and just want to skip the line, so you can get the Discord and all that jazz for absolute risk free, just click the first link in the description. To 100 people already tried it. It kind of hurts when I have to kind of share the sauce, but it is what it is.